of buying an iPhone 15. Should I show a magic trick though? Wait. Ah, damn. It's gonna be a good video. The brand new iPhone 15. So it has 4 models: iPhone 15, no mini this year or last year, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, this one, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the iPhone 15 Pro is gonna cost you around 1,40,000, but since I have it in 256 GB, it cost me 1,50,000. So let's open this up. So this is the brand new titanium color. So it has a premium matte finish at the back and it has titanium on the sides, and Apple has made a like a bit change in the charging port. It is a USB type C port replaced by the port we remember in the older iPhones like iPhone 12 and 13. So now it's going to be the moment of satisfaction. So as you can see the bristles, wait, let me turn this on. So as you can see the bristles are way smaller than the last previous models, and the dynamic island
Namaste.
And the dynamic island is looking so beautiful. Let's unbox the rest of the things. So as you can see, it's a USB type C cable, and now it's a braided cable just like the iPad and the MacBook. So let's keep this aside and let's see what's in the box. So this is pretty usual pin to take out the SIM,
Insert the SIM.
which is pretty standard. So we'll keep this aside, and we'll only get one sticker this time. So
#scammed.
So time to throw the box. And let's continue with the features. So as you can see, the buttons are divided into 2 parts for volume up and down, and the action button is included in the iPhones. So since the edges are made up of titanium, you can see a lot of fingerprints. So even when you hold these phones, for example the iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro, they are very different. This is very light because it is made up of titanium, and this is made up of, I don't know what material, but yeah, this is light, and this is very different when you hold it. So good job, Apple. So as you can see, I have set this up, and I'll talk about the action button. The action button has replaced the button which we use for silencing and unsilencing the phone. If I hold the action button, it will open the camera, and if I click it, it will click a selfie or record a video. So now I'll talk about the zoom. So this phone has a 15x zoom in which you can click photos from very far away. So the example of 15x zoom is the Taj Mahal. I clicked the photo of Taj Mahal when I went to Agra. Another example is this. This is also clicked from 15x zoom, and it is a very clear photo. Fun fact, when I say, "Hey Siri, Lumos," it turns on the flashlight. It's nice, and it's a Harry Potter spell. What could you want more? So its battery life is very good, and compared to the previous iPhone, it's the best. So it has an A17 Bionic chip, which makes it the fastest phone ever in Apple history. Since it has an A17 Bionic chip, it makes the gaming experience very good and very fast. Since it has a USB Type-C port, you can connect accessories and gaming controllers like PS5 and Xbox. It has a 48 megapixel camera, which makes the picture color and details very good looking. So it has a very good speaker. I'll show you once. Wait, let me go to my channel. Subscribe though. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll turn it to the full volume. Subscribe. The USB Type-C port has made it 20 times faster to transfer files from a Mac, iPad or anything to the iPhone 15 or through the iPhone 15 to your Mac, iPad or anything. I'm also going to watch India versus Afghanistan, so I'll record for you in the iPhone 15. Thank you for watching. Bye.